Hello everyone, this is a video demonstration of making tea in our newly launched Formula Chai machine. The first step is to pour water from the outside through a funnel. Keep filling the water until it reaches the maximum marking on the machine. Then plug the machine in and set the thermostat at 90 degrees centigrade. Once you have set the temperature, a green light will start glowing. Now pour 500 ml of water into the machine, followed by 500 ml of milk. Close the lid and wait for 3 minutes. Once the milk is heated, the green light will go off, which indicates that you have to insert the tea mesh into the tea brewer. Once it is inserted, add Cafe Desire's Formula Chai into the tea mesh. Close the lid and wait for 5 minutes, and then once it is done, remove and drain out the filter mesh. Your tea is now ready to be served. Enjoy our Formula Chai in 4 different flavors: cardamom, masala, ginger and plain tea.